Hello and welcome to the Autumn Pumpkins Gardening channel. Today we're looking at the Maurice Utrillo rose. It's a hybrid tea rose that we found over at Costco. And you can look at this tag. Look at how close that looks. So it's very difficult sometimes to get a rose to actually look like the thing you fell in love with on the picture. But it does look a lot like it. It's so beautiful. And the bees love it. They just love it. And we are today looking at what we're going to plant in the front of the rose, because behind it's going to be a few pumpkin vines. So we want to have something very cute and pretty at the front of it. And so we're going to plant these a little later on. So the concern was with the red that we have here, that it wouldn't exactly be a great match. But it kind of looks like it. You know, maybe we can plant that a little further away from the rose, so it's not right there. But the that violet color would be very pretty, as well as the yellow. And I was concerned that, maybe we won't know exactly with the Freesia here what we're gonna get. Just like with zinnia seeds, it just comes in a bag. But luckily, these guys are wrapped in such a way, and I'll go back to the rose so you can see that while I'm doing this. They're wrapped in such a way that they're identified. Look at that. So yay, we don't have to put the red right next to, have a little guessing game of what is what. So we'll be able to plan what goes where, so that's going to be pretty cool. Because if you look at this with that color, I think that will be great. Too, just a little bit of it, not too much. So we're gonna have that, the Freesia, and so it's gonna look wonderful. Look at that. Let me put it behind there without disturbing the bees. See, that'll be nice. So we're gonna get to work on that, and hopefully everything will be okay with it, and also with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and please take care. Just if you can, order things online right now. That's still a good option. And just keep planning for the future. And see you all in the next video.